For the first time in the history of TEFAF, the tribal art and the design is put together on the floor.
What we did, our first step, is that we decided to take the tribal section from a totally different location as to where they were last year, and we brought it here and we mixed the tribal section with the design. And we feel very positive about this change because we feel that it's the same clients, you see. People who buy tribal are more likely or very likely to buy design as well. So they should be close to our modern section because we feel it's just those three sections overlap with the same clients. We can see it at the auction houses. The viewing for those lots that come up at auction is the same week, you see. So we feel very happy about these changes.
When I first joined TEFAF, I had requested this, that the groups, the blocks be more permeable, the frontiers be more open and fluid between the different groups of specialties. I guess it took about 20 years for this information to filter down somehow. But anyway, it now has been done. It's something that the tribal group requested last year. Now we're here in design, modern and contemporary. I think it's a good thing. So far, I'm happy with it. There are some issues about placement. That's normal. And things have to be refined over the next year or two. But otherwise, it's a positive move.
The idea was presented in like some months ago, and I really encourage it also because I think people collect many things, and design and tribal are a kind of a good combination and I think people wants to see different environments and not just the same thing. And I am encouraging to try other things also.
Tribal art is the foundation upon which modern and contemporary art is built, because without the meeting of tribal art by Picasso and Derain, Matisse and Vlaminck, 1904, 1906, it's a kind of a mythological moment. It's an urban myth in a way, because they already knew about it. But we like to have these defining moments kind of stuck in history. And so there is this moment in the early 20th century when it gels, it all comes together, and all of a sudden Cubism explodes, Expressionism explodes, Surrealism following Dadaism, and then later on with Cobra, etc. And tribal art has always had a very important influence and founding principle for contemporary and modern art. Today, when you look at something by Jeff Koons, you don't see it. When you look at one of his balloon dogs, you don't see the connection, let's say, between these hands from British Columbia. But it's there. It's in there somewhere.